Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, there are certain areas in India where even Indian citizens need to have a permit before they visit because of various reasons. Now, I will not go into the political reasons, but instead I'll show you the process. So for Mizoram, you need an inner line pass if you want to go there for various purposes. So how you can apply it? Like there are other ways to apply, but I'm showing you the online way because it's like like how you can do it online. Now, first of all, who should apply? So the following all person except following indigenous people, non-indigenous people married to Indian male, member of security forces, okay, regular permanent state or central government servant, retired state employee, okay, government advocate, advocate of defense panel, regular permanent employee of government undertaking, person group of person invited by. So most of the people they do need, okay. Now, what is the process? Three-step process: submit application. You can use the reference number to track the status. Then once it is submitted, the authorities are going to process it. Okay. And only after it is verified and processed, you can pay online. Okay. And after paying the fee, you can download the permit. And you should have your ID card and that permit along with you. All right. All right. So let's see how you can apply. So just first link, apply TLP. Okay. So it's very simple. Applicant detail. Like if your purpose, why are you going there? If you're going for tourism, full name, a supporting document, let's say you're carrying your passport, provide that, whatever, Aadhaar card, date of birth, mark, mobile number, EPIC stand for voter ID. So they have asked some details like you should provide. Father details, country, like where you are from. For foreign national, if they are coming, they cannot have PAN, or maybe they cannot, like if they're not NRI, OCI, they may not have NRI, they may not have PAN, but passport they can use. Full address, country you can select which you are, purpose of visit, where you're gonna stay, date of entry. Now supporting document, passport size photo, PAN card, supporting document, which file you are uploading, the passport size photograph, uh, tourism verification document like visa for foreign tourist, okay, return ticket, other. So these things you can do. In others you can do a tourism verification and passport you can upload as a foreigner, and then you can submit the application. Then they will process it and they will let you know how and then you can go ahead and pay the fee. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but my intention was to give you an idea and you have got the idea. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.